Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's just gonna be like a little vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and also make sure to comment any comments if you guys have any comments. And yeah, so I'm here with my sister like in every other vlog. We're gonna go to the mall right now because I didn't like the jeans that I got, and I didn't like the clothes overall. You know, like now that I'm a boutique owner, it's hard. It's kind of different. Well, it's not hard. It's kind of different when you shop. So went to Torrid. I didn't like the jeans at all, so I'm gonna return them. I do sell plus size, so I know what to buy. But I just didn't like the jeans like at all. Like I literally felt so mad about the jeans. Literally, like I freaking bent down and like the whole jeans moved. So I'm like, what is that? Like they're damn. So I'm gonna go return them because I just don't like having like clothes that isn't quality. Like I really care a lot about the quality of my clothes. Like I'm freaking like over it if it's not good quality. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get my money back. No, my sister paid for me. Yeah, I don't think that she always pays for me, but sometimes she pays for me, but I always pay her back if she pays for me. It's not like she buys me clothes like that. But yeah, I'm super bummed like about the plus size section. I mean, they do have plus size at the Valley Plaza, but I just don't like it. I feel like it's really ugly, and it's not just because I have a boutique, but some of the stuff is just really ugly. Like I am really unimpressed. I thought it would change because I have a boutique. I thought, you know, they would get a little bit of inspiration at least. They could copy some of my styles because they're cute, you know, but damn, there's a lot of ugly styles. Yeah, I just feel like ranting. It's just like a lot of ugly stuff. Like I bought like a long sleeve and like a satin top, but I just didn't like how the satin top looked. But yeah, if I'm not completely satisfied, I usually just return it, and that's why I don't go to like places where they don't do returns. I just hate it. Like, how am I gonna return it if I hate it? And yeah, I don't know how you guys are, like if you guys shop where there's no refund. Like I know like they sell you like a speaker and then it doesn't work, and then they'd be like, no refund, bye, we keep your money. But yeah, so we're on our way. Hopefully I find something in my size. Like I used to be like a 3X, but now I'm a 1X, 2X, because I did gain weight, I'm not even gonna lie. But it's difficult still to find cute clothes, so damn, that sucks. I'm gonna get all the plus size girls some more clothes, literally. I was like hella bummed. I'm like, damn, this is what we get. This is what you get. Ugly stuff. They expect us to dress ugly. But yeah, so we're just on our way. Look at the ranchito. My sister, my Uber. But yeah, there's a lot of egg, just like you guys seen in the other video. It doesn't want to focus. Oh, they're now in focus.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it was kind of foggy. It was foggy and then rainy. If you know, you know. If you know, you know where I live. If you know, you know. I was gonna go on live, but they could just watch me on YouTube. Oh, my camera's gonna die.
What the heck? Yeah.
We're gonna go get some Starbucks because we're dead after going to everywhere, and I only found jeans at Old Navy, so we're dead. So we're gonna go get some Starbucks. And yeah,
I already have my mask on.
yeah, because freaking COVID, the mask mandate. Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna go to In-N-Out after a long stressful day of returning stuff with freaking business owners. All final sale policy. I hate when they have a final sale policy or a no return. Like, great, now I gotta keep something that I hate. So yeah, damn. I ended up returning the jeans at Torrid because I hated them. I got some at Old Navy though. They look really bomb. I really like Old Navy for jeans. If you guys are plus size, shop at Old Navy for jeans, or you know, wait until I restock my boutique. I sell plus size jeans too. I just really don't like Torrid. I ran out of iPhone storage, but yeah, we're still going to In-N-Out in Bakersfield. The bomb locations on Rosedale. I like the Rosedale location better. It's better. I don't know. It just tastes better. Damn, Lupita, your windshield hella dirty. Look at this. You need to wash.
You can wash it for me if you want.
Nah.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Slow ass drivers.
After an exhausting day of being plus size. I'm not even that much plus size. I'm like a 16, 18. I'm still plus size, but damn, I used to be a size 20, but damn, I lost weight for what? To still struggle finding clothes, man. But yeah, guys, this is why I have my boutique. This is why I plus size. Like, we deserve more. We deserve more. I'm on the part of the plus size. You guys deserve a 30-day return, not some dumb owner fucking telling me shit. I fucking hate final sale. I can't. Final sale because I sell trash, basically. Final sale, no return because I sell speakers that don't work. They don't work after 5 days. Or I sell dresses that rip like in 2 days. Like, to be real. Hi guys, so I was home and I was on TikTok live. If you guys don't follow me yet, you guys should follow me. My name is Simply Isabel C on TikTok. I go live on there sometimes. If you guys want to see me like personally and ask me stuff, you guys can watch my live on TikTok. So I was on live, yeah, and I ate, and this is just gonna be my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sorry if it's so short. I'm barely back to vlogging, and yeah, I'm barely getting back on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, have a good night, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.